is where billions of Singapore dollars are printed every single day.
Every note is stamped with extreme precision and pressure. A fully automated system producing currency at massive scale.
And every single note is checked with near-perfect accuracy.
Welcome to Singapore's Money Factory, where ultra-secure Singapore dollar currency is produced with cutting-edge technology.
Access is restricted. Only authorized personnel can enter this facility.
Inside, precision and scale work together to produce Singapore dollar currency. Every step is connected, from raw material to finished currency.
Every step is connected, from raw material to finished currency.
Behind every machine, human precision ensures perfection. Every movement is controlled with perfect synchronization. Now, we go back to where every Singapore dollar begins. Every Singapore dollar begins from raw fiber.
Adjust the pressure slightly here.
Okay, valve is turning. Levels look good now. The consistency looks good on the tablet.
Yes, the probe reading matches the target viscosity.
Ensure the alignment grids match the micro-elements precisely.
I'm cross-referencing the portrait details now.
Pressure levels are stable across all lines.
Confirmed. The flow rate is optimized for the injection phase.
After heat curing, the Singapore dollar currency sheets move into advanced airflow systems, where high-speed cool air stabilizes the surface.
The Singapore dollar currency now contains multi-layer invisible protection features that activate under specific conditions. The scene reinforces advanced anti-countering.
Human expertise ensures perfection beyond machines.
Now, Singapore dollar currency is ready for its final form.
All containers secured. Bay doors closing. Alpha team, eyes up. We are rolling out.
All teams, move forward slowly. Maintain security perimeter.